channel Turn to Technology. My name is Asif Khan and today we are going to start our PLC Mitsubishi. So in the last class we have already done counter timer. So today we will start our PLC, and in this video we will discuss about PLC wiring, addressing of Mitsubishi, etc. So let's start today's video. So the first part is PLC wiring, the most important part of PLC. PLC wiring. So there is a two type of PLC wiring. One is source type wiring. Source type wiring means in this wiring we will control positive supply of PLC through the switch. Just we can say we always having line and neutral and phase and neutral. We will control phase in source type wiring. We will control positive supply through this switch. Let us understand through a diagram. If we are having a bulb and here is our cell plus minus, so this terminal will be controlled by the switch. We will control positive terminal from the switch. So this type of wiring is a source type wiring. I hope it's clear. Now the next is sync type wiring. In this wiring we control negative supply for the PLC. In this we control negative supply through the switch. Very simple. Let us again understand through the diagram. In this circuit we will control negative from the switch. Here is our switch. Bulb. I hope it's clear. So source type wiring control positive supply of the battery, and sync type of wiring control negative supply of the battery. So these wiring we are going to use in PLC. So let us understand Mitsubishi wiring. So Mitsubishi PLC wiring. So firstly we are having input and output. So first we will discuss about input section. Input wiring. So here we are having slot of line, neutral. You will face SS. This is a common for all input: X0, X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6. These are the input and many more. So if the PLC is operated on 24 volt supply, so here will be plus V and minus V will be there. If we are having line and neutral on the PLC, that means it will operate on 220 volt AC. So we will operate 220 volt AC. So line and neutral we are providing 220 volt AC on these terminals. And the input of PLC, Mitsubishi PLC, operated on 24 volt, because the relay used in this or relay fixed in inside the PLC are 24 volt operated. This is the common. Whatever we are supplying given to SS, so this supply automatically transfer to all the inputs. So we have to use SMPS, switching mode power supply. Switching mode power supply for conversion of AC to DC. So here is line, neutral, 24 volt, 24 volt and 0 volt. And we have to use switches for all. So we will use switch. These are the switches. So these are the switches. So these switch will have common supply, that is 24 volt. So this 24 volt will be connected to the SMPS plus. So whenever we press the switch, 24 volt go inside, but the relay operate when the circuit is complete. So we have to give 0 to SS, because SS is common for all the relays or all the input. So here it comes from SS, and we will press switch 1, switch 2, push button 1, push button 2, push button 3, push button 4, like this. So I hope you understand the power supply, PLC wiring, Mitsubishi. It's very simple. There is only SS, so we will give 0 volt to SS and 24 volt through the push button. I hope it's clear. Now come to the output section. Now let's start output wiring. So in Mitsubishi PLC there is 24 volt terminal available, 0 volt terminal available, common for Y0, Y1, common 1 for Y2, Y3 and Y4, like this. So you will look many commons in Mitsubishi PLC. So one thing, important thing is, in Mitsubishi there is a 24 volt terminal and 0 volt terminal already available at the output end. So you can take 24 volt from these terminals. So Mitsubishi FX 1S and 30MR. So these type of PLCs are relay type. And we already discussed about the relay type PLC. If we want AC output, so we have to wire them according to AC. If we take output DC, we want to take output DC, so we have to wire them according to DC. So just like if we want to take output AC, so we are having line and neutral. So we will give line to common, both the common point, and output, whatever we get the output from the PLC AC. I hope it's clear. So whatever we are giving to the common point, so these common point will give the same output from the Y1, Y2, Y3. I hope it's clear. Very simple wiring. So if we want to operate like bulb, so we will use positive, this is positive terminal, we will use bulb here, and negative terminal we will get from neutral point, so bulb will be operated. I hope it's clear. So this is our PLC, Mitsubishi PLC panel. For the training purpose I have made this. So this is our PLC. Here is run, error. PLC model name is FX1S 30MR. FX series 1S model, and 30MR is 30 input output used. M for MPU, main processor unit, and R for relay type PLC. If we look here in the wiring session, so here is line and neutral, SS are the commons, and these are the input. So here is 2 rows. So above one is the above one and lower one is the lower one. So this is your communication wire, and near the wire there is one switch. This is this switch. This switch basically used for run PLC or stop PLC. Now come to the output part. You can see the output. This is 24 volt, this is 0 volt, and these are the commons. I hope it's clear to all. I hope you understand the wiring concept of PLC. In the next class, we will start our PLC training on the software. Okay? So if you understand the thing, so please like my video, comment on my video, and share as much as possible, and subscribe my channel for latest update. Thank you so much.